All right, I want you to put the bench up to where it comes to about your height where you're comfortable to hold on to the bench so you don't move around. Go ahead, grab that dumbbell. For him, this is the perfect height. He feels comfortable. Feet nice and straight, knees are bent, shoulders back and down. He's going to look straight. With this exercise, if you look around, you could injure your neck. Wrist is going to be straight. Elbow is slightly bent. He's standing up strong. Nothing is going to move in his body besides this shoulder. This one's steady. So go ahead, come up, 180-degree angle. I want you to stop right when that wrist meets up with the shoulder and then go all the way down. Breathe in on the way down, go out on the way up, and feel that shoulder work nice and hard. Look at where his hand is. It's directly in the center of his body, right in the middle. Look how he's coming up where his wrist lines up with his shoulder. You can see the delt working. He's not moving around. And when he's flying, it's not ending up here or back here. It's right in the dead center. If it says use the right arm in your routines, you go to the right arm. If it says use the left arm in the routines, you go to the left arm.